Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode in the Tag Tune-Up series. My name is Crystal, program facilitator here at ServiceTitan, and in today's episode, we're going to be looking at another great feature called Motivate Your Technicians with Performance Pay. Performance pay is one of the most powerful tools within ServiceTitan to help align your employee goals with your company goals. When your team is incentivized to sell more and perform better, everybody wins. This feature impacts some of your most important KPIs, such as labor cost, average ticket, and close rates. In today's video, we're going to walk you through exactly how to set up this feature, how to use it, and how to maintain it to maintain those TitanAdvisor points. If you're ready, let's dive right in and get it set up. To get to TitanAdvisor, click on the rocket ship on the top toolbar. TitanAdvisor is your automated best practice guide. It's like having a success coach built right into the platform. From the business sections on the left-hand side, we're looking for payroll and admin, and we're working under the acceleration tab. We're going to be looking for the feature card called Motivate Your Technicians with Performance Pay, and you'll see that you can get 4 points for this feature. When we click into the feature card, we can see that this helps us increase efficiency, drive revenue, and it applies to all customer types. First, let's look at the setup tasks. Set technicians' performance pay. This means going into the technician's profile and defining their commission rates. The success criteria is simple. At least one active technician has a commission or sold by rate in their profile. Second, set performance pay for price book items. This is where we tell ServiceTitan what items are eligible for commission, or if they pay a special bonus. The success criteria here is at least one price book item pays a bonus or is enabled for commission. Once the setup is done, we now move into the how to use section, which focuses on ongoing activities. This includes strategically adding performance pay to your price book items and regularly running the master pay file report to track earnings. Now that we understand the goal, let's get in and take a look at how this is set up. So first, I'm going to navigate into my settings. So to get to my settings, I hit the top gear bar at the top, and I'm going to move over to the left-hand side, and under people, I'm looking for technicians. So I'm going to pick my technician, Adam, who is a managed technician. Pro tip. Only managed technicians are eligible for performance pay. So I'm going to click Edit to go inside his profile. And up at the top, you'll see several tabs. You're going to want to click into that Payroll tab. So first, under the section General Pay Details, indicate the technician's payroll is both timesheet and performance pay by selecting the option Both. Next, under the section Performance Pay, you'll see two options, commission rate and sold by rate. Let's walk through what the difference between these are. The commission rate is the percentage a technician earns when items are added to an invoice, as long as those items are marked as pays commission in the price book. So for example, if this technician had a commission rate as 10% and he sold an item from Pricebook worth $500 that was marked as pays commission, he would get $50. The key is that the commission rate is only active for items that are enabled to pay commission. Let's quickly jump into Pricebook to take a look at what this looks like. I've navigated to my price book and I'm in a service and I'm looking at this American Standard toilet. I'm going to go to the Bob menu to look into this service. I'm going to want to head over to the Commissions tab. And this is that crucial box that we're looking for that says pays commission. If this checkbox was not checked, Adam would not be getting commissions for adding this item to an invoice. Adam's 10% rate is only calculated when this box is selected. If this box is unchecked, he won't earn that 10% commission for the item, regardless of the rate in his profile. Let's head back to Adam's profile here. So understanding that link is vital. Now that we know how the commission rate is triggered, let's look at the second option in his profile, the sold by rate. This is the commission percentage a technician earns when they are marked as the one who sold the estimate, and the commissions are based on the subtotal of the estimate. For example, if Adam had a sold by rate of 5% and he sold an estimate valued at $2,000, he would get a commission of $100. To see how this is tracked, let's jump over into an unsold estimate. So I'm just going to jump into this tab here and go into my follow-up tabs. And under my left-hand side, I'm looking at unsold estimates, and I'm going to click into my first unsold estimate. When estimates are being converted into a sold job from the office, they will be prompted to select who sold the job right here. This is the simple step that triggers for the sold by commission. When estimates are sold directly via the mobile app, this system automatically assigns the sold by commission to the technician completing the sale. Now that we've completed the initial setup, let's look at the how to use section of the TitanAdvisor card. The how to use section of the TitanAdvisor card is all about ongoing strategy and monitoring. The key activity is to continuously manage and update performance pay in your price book. This isn't a set it and forget it task. This is an ongoing opportunity to align your technicians' incentives with your business objectives. So you will be measured on the percentage of invoices with price book items to generate performance pay bonuses in the last 30 days. You can use this tool to actively steer your team's focus. For example, to manage inventory, you can put a temporary high percentage bonus on a specific overstocked or feature product you need to move quickly. To boost average ticket size, ensure all high margin add-on services or premium parts are marked as pays commission to encourage those valuable upsells. By regularly reviewing and updating these incentives, you are actively driving your team towards the sales that are most profitable for your business. And this is exactly what TitanAdvisor is measuring when it looks at the number of active price book items paying a bonus or a commission. Now, once your technicians start earning all this extra money, you need a clear, reliable way to track it for payroll. And that brings us to the second how to use task, running master pay file reports. This report template is going to be your single source of truth. It gives you a detailed breakdown of each technician's gross pay for any period. Let's jump into our reports tab to take a look at what this file looks like. So from within the reports tab, I'm searching for a master pay file. And you'll see that the description explains that it shows a breakdown of pay technician activities along with the sum of pay time for each activity. Data is comprehensive and it includes columns for overtime and most importantly, those clear breakdowns of commissions and bonuses under the activity column. Let's click into this report. You do have the option of editing the report, and you can do this by pulling in additional columns into the report and clicking save. When I run this report, you will see all the breakdown of all the columns. And under the activity column is where you would find the commissions and the bonuses. To make this process even smoother, you can customize and schedule it to be automatically emailed to your payroll manager every week. To do this, you would do this by selecting the Schedule button. By scheduling this report, you automate the how to use activity and ensure you never lose your TitanAdvisor points for forgetting to run the master pay file report. It guarantees your payroll process is accurate and your TitanAdvisor score stays green. All right, everybody, let's do a quick recap. So first, we set our technician's performance pay by going into the technician's profile and defining the commission or the sold by rate. Second, we enabled commission in our price book for items such as services, materials, or equipment. And lastly, we learned how to use the master pay file report to track all these earnings and ensure a smooth payroll process. By implementing a performance pay system, you're not just motivating your team, you're creating a culture of performance where everybody is rewarded for helping to drive the business forward. So get in there, follow these steps, and grab those TitanAdvisor points. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And please feel free to sign up for our free Ember program, where you learn more about great TitanAdvisor features such as this one. I hope you guys have a great day and keep crushing it.